I see your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 8 of Part 2 hearing list. Part 2, item number 8.
8.
Yes, Part 2.
When do you want?
Lordship, on behalf of the amicus, if this matter may kindly be taken up again after a week.
Okay, ultimate after a week.
Yes, Lordship.
Pardon?
If this may kindly be taken up again after a week, the amicus is out of station.
Okay.
Lordship, I seek indulgence in mentioning Part 2 of item number 5 and 7. Since the main council is currently out of station, so if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, a consent has been taken
5,
from
6,
both the parties. 5 and 7.
5 and 7.
My Lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 4 in item number 7.
Okay.
Lordship, in item number 5, I'm for the appellant.
Okay, on prayer of learned counsel for appointed amicus, the matter be listed again after a week.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Any other mentioning item?
Lordship, I seek indulgence in mentioning Part 2 of item number 7. I have taken the consent from from the parties. So if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
I think we have already passed on item 7.
Yes.
Lordship, bless.
For mission item number 1.
Your Lordship, in this matter, pleadings are complete. Pleadings are complete in this matter. So it may come up again after 2 weeks for admission hearing, my Lord.
Services complete?
Yes. This is the civil revision petition.
I'm for
Third
the
learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel Mr. So-and-so appears for respondent.
number 5.
5. Other respondents?
1 to 4 is the state, my Lord.
Lordship, I'm appearing.
1 to 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. So-and-so appears for respondents 1 to 4. What about TCR?
TCR has also arrived, received, my Lord.
TCR has been received, hence lays the matter for hearing after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 2.
My Lord, on the joint request of the parties, my Lord, if this matter can come up on Thursday, my Lord. My Lord, actually, respondent number 1 to 5 counsel, he cannot be here, so he has requested us, my Lord. Day after? Day after tomorrow, my Lord.
All right, on the prayer of learned counsel for the parties, this matter may be taken up on
19th.
19th.
Obliged, my Lord.
Item number 3 to 8.
My Lord, we compliance with the court order. Then we already make a payment, 65 crore something. If I may permit it to submit my instruction, my Lord. kami in this bar file. DC Director General. Appeal may done. DC.
All these cases are listed today.
Yes,
Yes,
from
I
item
think
number 3 to 17 is on the same of what, my lord.
Who is for the petitioners?
I am appearing for the item number 4 to 17, and she is item number 3.
4 to 17.
Yes.
Okay. So total 18 cases.
Yes. No. From item number 3 to 17 means
18 cases.
Oh, 17, 1 to 17.
No, -3. -2.
15 case
15
contempt.
cases.
Mm.
Okay.
And some cases are not contempt is there, it seems. I have not yet properly examined, Your Lordship.
No, all are contempt cases as listed in the court list.
Yes. But contempt case, all the contempt case are listed.
Are all these cases pertaining to the same matter?
Same
Same
award.
road, yes.
Same stretch of road, my lord.
Okay, so from 3 to 17,
Yes.
council you are representing, and state says it has been complied with the order of the court.
CGC and DC, Siha should
To disburse.
disburse the amount to the claimant that is awaited. So
You have not
How
got
much-
the money as yet.
money, it seems that they receive by the
My lord,
DC
the
Siha.
last pages, the receipt by the DC, they already received that amount.
Your Lordship, we have to obtain instruction from the Deputy Commissioner, so if Your Lordship may kindly grant us at least 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions from the,
What more instruction is required other than this?
if
You say you have deposited.
if the money has been disbursed or not.
Lordship,
So you also don't know whether you have received the money or not.
not yet. We have no information from DC Siha.
3 to 16, 3 to 17. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard learned state counsel. And a communication via email dated 14 March 2026 has been issued by the
Your Lordship, it's not state. It's not state. Not state. It's a.
This is what assistant engineer civil.
Yes.
This is here, issued by this
Correspondent number 379.
Simshan EBAE civil office in OIG legal for chief engineer. Okay, it will be on the record. You look from this also. Has been placed before the court, wherein it is stated that the order of this court has been implemented by deposition of an amount of rupees 65 crore 4 lakh 13,086. Wide SBI Longklai public fund account, check number so and so dated so and so to the Deputy Commissioner Saiha, Mizoram. Learned counsel for the parties seek some time to apprise the court as to whether the amount has been disbursed to the beneficiaries. Accordingly, list the matter again on. How much time do you need?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Give a date,
2
okay?
weeks. Your Lordship.
Give a firm date after 2 weeks. Fixed date after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, if the matter can be fixed on April last week.
Okay, I am asking you to provide the date.
On 22nd April.
Item number 18.
Yes.
Lordship, I am representing the respondent number 2, who is the Union of India, represented by the Deputy Commissioner Customs Division. And I have received an instruction from the respondent number 3 as well, who is the Commissioner Customs Northeast Region, Shillong, Meghalaya.
That is respondent number?
Number 3. I have received the instruction recently to appear on their behalf also.
Okay.
And I have already filed the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2 on 29/1/2026. And I may be given some more time to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 3.
None appears for the petitioner. Learned counsel, Mr. You
Johnny
are?
Elton, Johnny.
Appears for respondent number
2.
2. And you have received instruction from?
Respondent number 3 recently.
And it is submitted that he has also received instructions from respondent number 3, that is?
The Commissioner,
Customs Preventive
Lordship,
Northeastern
yes.
Region, Shillong, to represent the said respondent. An affidavit in opposition has already been filed on behalf of the respondent number 2. Any more? No?
Lordship, I will be filing on behalf of respondent number 3 within 2 days.
Okay, it is
Within
submitted that
2 weeks,
an
Lordship.
affidavit will be, in opposition will be submitted on behalf of the respondent number 3 within a week. Hence, list the matter again after 2 weeks.
Item number 19.
My Lord, counsel for the CBI request me that the matter may be listed.
You are representing CBI?
No, my Lord, I was requested by Mr. Larem Tuang, special counsel, my Lord. The matter may be taken again after 2
Notice
weeks.
is served?
he informed me that he want to submit the respondent address, new address. Because this personal problem today, the matter may be listed again after 2 weeks. Next week.
But he was discharged because he couldn't be located.
As per information that I received from the council, my lord, he needs to submit the new address of respondent. Then the matter may be listed again next week, my lord.
It is submitted by Ms. And so
Right,
on
Ms.
behalf of Mr. Ralrem Tuanga, learned special public prosecutor, that the address of the sole respondent could not yet be located, and accordingly further time is sought for the said purpose. Hence list the matter again after 4 weeks.
Oblige.
Item number 23.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is a state appeal against the acquittal order under Section 5 this is the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, I am not sure whether the condonation has been delayed or not, since this case was handled by Miss Mary.
Anh delay to, anh condone it, don't condone to, no? Anh condone no? No?
Condonation of delay law.
Anh delay, anh condone to me. Sorry, anh delay, anh condone to em. Anh appoint to condone lo, pero
Your Lordship, there has been a delay of 180 days. And it seems that the legal aid has been appointed in respect of the respondent.
But does the service also failed?
Yes, Your Lordship, it was failed, and the legal aid council has been appointed.
You could have made a paper publication at least. Straight away appointing a amicus may not serve the But if he appears later, some future point of time and says that I wasn't served. I heard learned counsel for the state appellant. It appears that service by way of dusty could not be effected upon the sole respondent in view of the reported fact that he had moved out of his last address by order dated full stop by order dated so and so, and amicus was appointed to represent the sole respondent. However, in the interest of justice, I deem it proper that a paper publication be made regarding the present case. Appellant to take steps accordingly for publication of notice in a locally circulating. What are the main newspapers in Mizoram?
Banglaini, Your Lordship, Banglaini.
Okay. Namely, so. And to submit affidavit in this regard along with original copy of the newspaper publication. List the matter again after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 21.
21 cái màn món này. Ê.
Lordship, this is a criminal appeal, and by filing this criminal appeal, there is a delay of 273 days. And there are as many as 3 respondents.
So
And
notice is not complete as yet.
Lordship, this respondent number 1 died on 21/6/2021, and I have filed the affidavit on 6/8/2025 to that effect. And regarding the respondent number 2, it was completed, and I have filed the affidavit on 12/6/2025. And the respondent number 3 is not able to trace, and this Honorable Court also directed the concerned police station to trace the respondent number 3, and it was again failed, Lordship. Then we have published in the newspaper. Then I have filed the affidavit on 8/1/2026, 14/1/2026, and in the last order dated void order 2/2/2026, Your Lordship, and notice upon the respondents number 3 is also deemed to be served. Right, Your Lordship, to order 2/2/2026. So it seems that notice upon all the respondents are completed.
Okay, 2/2/2026.
2/2/26, Lordship.
Respondent number 1, who is that?
Respondent number 1 is the owner of the some part of the owner of the foreign cigarettes. He died during the pendency. Then I have filed the affidavit to that effect. I have annexed the death certificate. I have filed the affidavit on 6/8/2025.
This is this Lalden Thara,
Lordship,
respondent 1.
Res-
Name.
respondent number 1 name is Lal Eden Thara. I have filed the death certificate and
He has expired.
Lordship, yes. Invite dishonorable court order 26/11/2025.
Achha, they were acquitted, so it
Yes,
has
yes.
anyway
They
abated
are
against
acquitted.
him.
Yes, Lordship.
It has abated against him,
Lordship.
this appeal. Since.
So, it
So
seems that-
everything is complete now.
complete, Lordship. And there is a delay of 273 days.
Where
in
is
filing.
You have filed a separate IA for that?
Lordship, yes. IA number 2 of 2025
Okay.
is DIA for condoning the delay of 273 days. And I have explained the reason of such delay.
Okay, I heard Mr. Learned Counsel for the appellant. This is an application filed for condonation of delay of 273 days in filing the connected criminal appeal against the impugned judgment and order dated so-and-so, passed by so-and-so. You'll find it page 5, okay? Judgment is there. It appears that the respondent number 1 within bracket acquitted accused has expired on 21/6/2021 and therefore the case appeal as against the said respondent number 1 has abated. ABATED. It also appears that the service on respondents number 2 and 3 is also complete, but none appears to represent them. Para having perused the instant IA and the reasons stated occasioning the aforesaid delay, which averments are supported by an affidavit. I am of the view that the applicant has sufficiently explained the delay and that the applicant was prevented by sufficient cause from approaching the court within the period of limitation. Accordingly, the delay of so-and-so days stands condoned and the IA stands allowed. Registry is directed to list the criminal appeal, connected criminal appeal after 2 weeks. Appeal is numbered already.
Yeah, it seems, Your Lordship. 2 more. Yes, true. 2 of 2025.
What is this process after, without the delay being condoned, how can the appeal be numbered?
Lordship. Lordship, the registry had usually given the number at the time of filing.
No, this is not the process. There should be a filing number. Unless delay is condoned, how can there be an appeal?
Very true, Lordship, yes. It's obliged, Lordship.
Item number 22.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is also a state appeal. However, Your Lordship, return of service notice upon respondent is still awaited.
Why not Dusty?
Your Lordship, now we are doing the Dusty. Actually, this present case was listed on 19 to 2006, and from that time we are processing for Dusty, Your Lordship.
Hard learned additional PP. Ms. Vanal Shami. It appears that AD card or unserved notice has not been received back in respect of respondents number 1 and 2. The appellant is permitted to effect Dusty service on the said respondents and file affidavit accordingly. This is the matter again after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 23 and 24.
My Lord, and for respondent CBI, I may be given 2 weeks' time for filing my written objection, my Lord.
Your Lordship, in that regard, I may raise an objection. On the previous listing also, Your Lordship, I had already informed this Honorable Court that the present applicant is not feeling well and she is having some medical problems inside jail. So that was why only 1 week was given for the notice.
What is this IA about?
IA is condonation of delay of 596 days delay. So
He is in jail.
she is in jail, yes, Your Lordship.
Oh.
And moreover, she is keeping her minor daughter inside jail also, because the minor daughter could not live alone. So I think it could be filing of a short written objection if they are willing to file it.
Pardon?
If they are willing to file written objection, I don't think the respondent needs more time, my Lord. I think it can be done within a few days.
Now, since your conviction, you have been in jail.
No, Your Lordship. In fact, after passing of the impugned judgment and order, conviction, along with the sentence, I was not there at the trial court due to the fact that I did not know anything about the proceeding, the court date fixed by the learned trial court. So I was arrested on 17th of January this year
On
by the
NBWA.
CBI Shillong from Guwahati, where I was staying with my husband.
On strength of NBWA.
Yes, in pursuance of the warrant of arrest. So from 19th of January, I have been put in jail.
What is the sentence?
Sentence is 1 year only, my Lord.
1 year.
1 year. One year and fine of 3 lakhs rupees. Several accused, convicted persons are there, my Lord. Most of the accused persons, convicted persons have already preferred appeal and they are out on bail also. Similar criminal appeals are still pending.
We heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP. This is an application for condonation of delay of 596 days in filing the connected criminal appeal. Learned additional PP
My
has
Lord, I
sought
am
time
for
to
private
file
counsel.
objection. Pardon?
Private counsel.
You're
for
private
CBI.
counsel?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. Nobody is appearing for state. State is not a party.
State is not a party, only CBI, my Lord.
CBI only.
Okay. The
Yes,
CBI is also
CBI.
state.
Sorry, it is CBI case.
You are for whom?
I'm trying to say that CBI is representing, my Lord.
You are representing CBI.
Yes, my Lord.
So how is it private? CBI has become private company.
No, my Lord, they engaged me as a private lawyer, my Lord.
Huh?
I was engaged as a private lawyer in this case.
Okay.
Because
we are saying you are appearing for CBI.
CBI
Okay. State respondent.
could not take up this matter. That is why, my Lord, they engaged me.
Learned counsel appearing for CBI has sought time to file objection. It appears that by order dated 9/3 2026. Time was granted as sought for to CBI to file objection. Para. The appellant herein was convicted. Where is the judgment?
Judgment, Your Lordship, I have annexed in the other IA, my lord. In the IAS number 16, I have annexed it.
Was convicted under section?
Under section 120B, read with 420, 468, 471 IPC. And
Okay.
under section 13.2 and 13.1, Prevention of Corruption Act.
And sentenced to undergo imprisonment. RI for
RI for 1 year.
1 year and to pay a fine of
Rupees
rupees
3 lakhs, madam.
3 lakhs. The appellant was arrested on strength of NBWA on
On 17 January 2026.
26, and since then she has been in custody. Having regard to the nature of the case and the aforesaid detention of the petitioner appellant since so and so date, I am not inclined to grant further time to the respondent to file objection. Come on. Had learned counsel on the reasons for the delay, which are reflected in paragraph
Paragraph number 3, my lord, of the application.
3 of the instant IA. Also heard learned counsel for the CBI on the same, having regard to the averments made supported by an affidavit. I am of the view that the petitioner appellant was prevented by sufficient cause from approaching the court within the period of limitation. Full stop. Hence, the delay of so and so days in preferring the connected appeal is hereby condoned, and the IA stands allowed. What is the other IA?
IA is for suspension of sentence and release on bail, my lord. I have filed along with this criminal appeal.
Hard learned IA criminal 16 of 26.
Yes, your lordship.
Hard learned counsel for the petitioner also, and also hard learned counsel representing CBI. This IA has been preferred, seeking suspension of the sentence of 1 year and payment of fine of rupees so and so, and also for releasing the petitioner appellant on bail pending hearing of the connected appeal. Full stop. The law on the point, on this point, is well settled that when the sentence is for a fixed period, the sentence is to be suspended unless there are exceptional reasons to deny such suspension. In the instant case, full stop, in the instant case, the petitioner stroke appellant has been sentenced only for a period of 1 year, and she has been in detention for nearly 2 months now. And having regard to the settled position of law, it is directed that the impugned sentence imposed void judgment and order dated so and so in so and so shall stand suspended, and the petitioner stroke appellant shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with one surety for a like amount to the satisfaction of the learned trial court. I stands disposed of accordingly. List the appeal for admission after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Much obliged, my lord.
Any hearing item?